All right, guys, this is Nick up at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1971 Nova with a small block 350, aluminum heads. I'm getting ready to do a little walk around. I just got back on the test drive, so you can see my tag still on here. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way, when you get here, you know exactly what kind of car you are getting. So if you haven't already, check out that test drive video. I'll have it linked to the end of this one. And you can check out 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot, including this one, on our website, weMainbsite.com. The front bumper's nice and shiny. I'm not seeing any wear, dents, scratches. Looks fairly new. The grille looks like it's been replaced too. It's pretty nice. A little trim on the front's definitely been replaced. Tires are in good condition. Nice set of Weld wheels. Front disc brakes, missing the emblems. It's light scratching on top in the paint. Looks like somebody waxed it with a dirty pad or something. And some light scratching on the hood. See orange peel down this side. Emblems missing as well. A lot of orange peel. Trim's not set perfect. Got a gap from the fender. Vinyl top's a bit faded, but it's still in good condition. It's not ripped up anywhere. Look for any kind of bubbles under the top here, just to see, and I'm not seeing many. Usually they're in through here. That looks pretty smooth. This car needs all new weather stripping. I don't even think there is any. So it will get water in it if it doesn't have weather stripping. I noticed the trunk had a little bit of water in it. I had to get out when I pulled it back here, but it don't have any weather stripping in it, so it's liable to happen. Door shuts good. Just a lot of orange peel coming down through the side there. A little bit of waviness on top of this door in this area. There's a dent in the trunk with a little paint chip. Needs carpet or vinyl for the package tray. A little scratched up on the trim in the back window. This one looks like it's new. It's been replaced. Rear bumper looks pretty good. You can see the paint down in there's got spots in it. You look down this side, there's some more orange peel in this area. Light scratches going down right above the rear tire here. Just looks like somebody waxed it with a dirty pad, or maybe the clear coat's coming off. But you can see it's white there. And the paint's got a little bitty scratches in it in the back here. I'm trying to make them pop. Chipping in the door. The door handle's got some pitting and the chrome on it. Go ahead and pop the hood here. Has a release in the center. Under the hood's nice and clean. Aluminum headed small block 350. Nice set of pipes on it. Does have disc brakes. Power steering, works good. Aluminum pulleys, nice and shiny. Looks like an aluminum radiator with electric fan. It does stay nice and cool. I don't think we ever got over 185. We drove around pretty good ways. Under the hood's nice and clean. Make our way to the trunk. That way I don't forget it. And we'll check out this interior. It's one of these keys. It's one of the circle keys. Let's try this. Oh, that never happens. First try. In the trunk, you can see the little bit of water left. I got majority of it out. But there is absolutely no weather stripping around this trunk lid. And that's why. It's probably old and crusty and they tore it off. They may have been planning on putting a kid in it. And just sold the car, so. The trunk's not all rusted out. It still looks pretty good. It's getting some surface rust, obviously because of the water that was in here. It's gonna come back unless you get the weather stripping put in here. So of course we don't do work here, we just buy and sell the cars. We don't really have time to put these cars in the shop. Just give you an honest description here, and that way if you want a little project car for the winter, this would be a good candidate. I'm gonna work my way in here. You can check out the door rest. Or the armrest in the door here. It's got some wear to it. The door panel itself looks pretty good. You look around in the jams, they're pretty clean. We'll take underneath the door here. Carpet's in good shape. Seat's not all ripped up. Headliner could be better, but it's not hanging. It's not ripped up. Needs a radio. Does have a oil pressure gauge and a temperature gauge. Electric fan switch under the dash there. Dash pad's in good condition. Horn does not work. Wait. Oh, it started working. Horn is glitchy, but sometimes works. Let's get in and start her up. Just get the right key and start her up. How about that? Starts right up without giving it gas. Shifter's a bit iffy on this one, as you'll see in the test drive video. Aluminum headed motor. Got a ton of power. Alright guys, hopefully you know about this car now. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you like the walk around. If you haven't checked out my test drive, check that out. If you have any questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. Check out my website, weMainbsite.com. 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the lot. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks again guys.